Hi friends, I'm Trak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the pound symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pound currency symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just open a document here and just going to zoom in here on the Excel, so I just can insert a symbol. So if you just go inside the plus symbol, click on this plus symbol to add sheet, and if you just need to insert option, there is no insert symbol option present here. You will have the chart option, text box option, shape option, but there is no insert symbol option. You can just use your keyboard. Here just using my Google keyboard is the best alternative for inserting the symbol on the Excel mobile. So you just double tap here. You can just download from the Google Play Store this Google keyboard. Click on this number section. Now you just need to long press on the dollar symbol. You can find this is a pop-up, hide and pop-up here, and you just need to insert the pound symbol. You just insert it. So this is the one way, and the second way, you just need to click on this number section again. You can find the pound symbol here also. These are the two ways to insert the pound currency symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.